How to make an aesthetic home cafe video. First, put some rings on your fingers or just simply wear a sweater or a long sleeve shirt for some vibes. Second, choose your backdrop or background, either a white fabric or simply white background. Choose a good location where there's light or sunlight. Place a coaster or a mat that fits your setting. Or just simply put either a piece of paper or a page from a book you don't use. So now I'm going to make a simple cappuccino. So I put a saucer, a mug, and a demi-tasse spoon. Put some decorations like dried flowers, or cookies, bread, or a cake, a pitcher, or even a sugar container. Now it's time to make our cappuccino. Pour your coffee or espresso, and then add your frothed milk. I like my coffee milky and creamy, so here I'm going to add more milk in a small pitcher. Then place your favorite book or the one you're currently reading. Sprinkle your drink with some cocoa powder or any top you like for a finished look.